We're gonna be doing another episode on Wonda. Wonda, for those who are new here, is a CLI that can automate your marketing. You can feed it to your Claude Code or your Codex or your AI instance of choice. And just today, Image 2 has dropped, and we're gonna be testing it inside the Wonda CLI. We know about Image 2 that is pretty much competing with Nano Banana at this point. So let's see what we can do. As you already know, in order to install the CLI, you just copy it from here and then you go to your AI instance and you just copy paste it here. I usually bypass my permissions in case you're not too comfortable about doing that with your own setup, then that's fine. You can just click on accept edits. So what I want to try today is that, so I've installed already the CLI for you to do. You just paste it and you say install this, and then the AI will know it. But I want to ask first and foremost, please use the Wonda CLI for this next talk. Focus only on it. Do you have Image 2 installed as well? I'm just going to check if Wonda has access to this yet or no. I found something interesting online on a subreddit, which is a progression between images v1 and v2 with this character. First and foremost, I want to check a scraping capability that the CLI has. And I'm going to be using my voice now. Can you analyze this page and look at the two images from this post and notice the differences between them? And after you do so, do you mind trying your own versions to generate actually a v2 version of that character with image 2 from OpenAI? So in case you didn't know, you can actually scrape Reddit and LinkedIn and X, for example, to get some context. And whenever you're looking at like different competitors or assets or context that you want to ingest into the conversation, you can actually do that. All right, so it analyzed the post. It observed the differences between the two, like we just saw. And it did also a version of its own. Ha! What? What? Wow. Okay. This is the first time when I'm using GPT Image 2. Okay. I want to try something else though. I think there's a picture with me in the folder as a reference, and I want to try generating something. I have a prompt here for a specific style of an image. I'm going to show you in a sec. So this is the style of image that I want to generate, but with me. So let's see if we can achieve that also with this one. You can screen grab it from here. Use the folder to find the picture of me from previous YouTube episodes as reference. Previous Wonda YouTube episodes. Curious to see what it does. That's nice. That's very nice. So yeah, the prompt was good to generate this. Now let's say I also want to animate this. First I'm gonna say create 2 more variations of this image and have the character be reacting a bit more vividly. And then I want you to pick one of the images that you have created and create a 7-second animation with Kling of the floating head. It should feel like a very static but an animation that feels alive with the character emoting slightly. Let's see the two variations that it did. That's cool. Okay. Curious which one it will use. Ah, okay. It's gonna use the V1, but it's nice that it did this ones as well. I'm gonna say quickly, you can animate one of the V2 and V3 as well, but just choose one of them. I want to have two animations maybe. Okay, let's see. All right, let's check it out. That's cool. I'll take that. Let's see the next one. All right, let's see. Cool. We also get to know how much we've spent on making those. I mean, for $2, that's not bad, to be honest. So there we go. Image 2 just dropped here on Wonda CLI. Go play with it, make ads with it, make posters with it, animate the images you make. Have fun with it.